Hello guys, so in this video we will learn mode function. Mode function हम किस लिए इस्तेमाल करते हैं? Whenever I want to divide a number by a divisor, it gives us some remainder. So that remainder we can find out using the mode function. For example, like हमारे पास यहाँ पे है 23 and the number is 3. Suppose if 23 is the number and 3 is the divisor. So what will be the remainder we will be getting? So the remainder will be 2 and the quotient would be 7. So 3 into 7 becomes 21 and the remainder will be 2. So अगर मैं 3 को 7 से multiply करता हूँ then it gives us 21. So 23 is not getting fully divided by 3. So 2 will be the remainder. So mode function what it does is it gives us the remainder value. So suppose 23 and 3. So let's use the mode function is equal to mode the number and the divisor. So number is 23 and the divisor is 3. So it will give us the remainder value that is 2. Thank you guys.